Yes, the S Pen is back. Let's find out more. Hey guys, Thunder E here, and thanks for joining on this video where we're going to be checking out the Galaxy S22 Ultra's S Pen. Now, if you're joining us for the first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, notification icon. And I also want to give a big shout out to our sponsor of this video, Morning Brew, the best way to get your news on a daily basis, and you don't have to do any work whatsoever. So the S22 Ultra is here, right? And it's got something that a lot of people have been dying and waiting for, especially people like me. It's got an S Pen built in. The reason why I'm excited is because I've been a Galaxy Note user for a very long time. And right in front of me here, I've got, of course, a couple of Note devices. I've got the Galaxy Note 9. This is the KC9 Stack Edition here. And it's got that awesome yellow looking S Pen. Then I've got the Star Wars Edition Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Again, a great device. And of course, the last Galaxy Note we got was the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, a solid beast of a device. And that was the end. We didn't get a Note last year in 2021, and Samsung did offer S Pen functionality on the S21 Ultra and the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now, it was nice, the S Pen, you could put it in different cases, which is cool, but it didn't feel like what we're used to on the Galaxy Note. But Samsung said, hold up, fret not. We're gonna give you a device that is an amalgamation of the Note line and the S line, which is the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And boy, this beauty is a beast. 6.8 inches, it's a Super AMOLED 2X display. You've got 120 Hertz, which means you've got that adaptive refresh rate that you're looking for in here. It's also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 here in the US, or the Exynos 2200 if you're in the UK. But look, we'll talk about the specs later on. It's all about the S Pen. There's an S Pen built into this device, and this device comes in 4 flavors of colors. We've got white, black, we've got that awesome green, and that kind of like, you know, metallic reddish gold, if you will. I can't remember what the color is called, but they all look absolutely awesome. And what can you do with the S Pen? Like, look, traditionally we know with the S Pen we can scroll, and scroll, go through our social media, but instead of us wasting our time looking for news left and right, you can always go ahead and sign up for, yes, Morning Brew. Now, the reason why I love Morning Brew is that this is a free newsletter, and yes, honestly, guys, definitely sign up for it because it's a fast way to get your news on a daily basis, curtailed to your needs. Everything you're looking for right there at your fingertips. You get the news daily from Monday through Sunday. And what's pretty awesome about it is that it's not boring. It's not news that's just very stale. It's some witty commentary, especially something like this, talking about how Netflix is so tired about Euphoria, which of course is actually a pretty cool show to check out. So definitely sign up for Morning Brew, where you can get some awesome news on a daily basis, and you don't have to keep scrolling using your S Pen all the time. Now, the S Pen functionality in the S22 Ultra is not just the traditional S Pen functionality you'd expect, which is great. Yes, you do have the ability to take notes, you can do screenshots, you can write on there as much as possible. They've actually improved the S Pen itself. So the S Pen response time has now been dropped down to 2.5 milliseconds, much faster than previous S Pens, and feels very smooth to the touch while you're writing or using the device. Now, another thing about the S22 Ultra, it does support S Pens from previous devices, like the S21 Ultra S Pen. You can actually use it to navigate, do most of the functions, minus of course all those Bluetooth functionality. Now, you do have full functionality to jump into the S Pen and of course customize it as much as you want, where you can add applications you can quickly access, and of course you've got that remote control functionality. And guys, trust me, once I get the device in-house, I will be doing, of course, a tips and tricks video for it. Now, this device has a ton of features that you can take advantage of. Another one, of course, is the camera. This has all new sensors with the cameras with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. We've got a brand new 108 megapixel sensor, not the same as last year. It's an improved sensor. We also have a 10x telephoto, as well as also a 10x stereoscopic zoom. And we've got some great new camera features like the auto tracking, which allows allows you to track objects as you're moving around and recording, which I absolutely like, and some improved low light photography as well, which of course we have to check out. Now, you guys are wondering, S Pen in the device usually means that we have a smaller battery. Nope. We do have a 5,000 milliamp battery in the S22 Ultra, plus it does support 45 watt charging. So guys, if you need a charger, use my link down below, because you're definitely gonna need it to actually charge this device, because from what we're hearing, Samsung is not gonna be offering a charger in the box, but we have to wait and see when we get that device. Now, I gotta tell you though, I'm excited. I can't wait to use this device. I can't wait to check it out and see all the full functionality. But from my short hands-on with it, which is really short, I have to say though, I am excited to just start using that S Pen again, because for me, it was vital to my day-to-day activities. And also, you know, it's just a lot of fun to have the Galaxy Note back, even though it's now called the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So there you have it, guys. If you have any questions or any comments about this, and you're wondering, look, should I pick this up? Yeah, use our links down below, because now you can go ahead and pre-order that device. And also, if you're looking for places to get your news on a daily basis, look no further. Just subscribe to Morning Brew. It's easy, it's quick, it's very simple. This is Thunder E saying thank you, and always enjoy your entertainment.